Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure passive income with LinkedIn detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a compelling LinkedIn profile. Ensure your profile picture is professional and high quality. Craft a concise and impactful headline that reflects your expertise. Write a summary that highlights your skills, experience, and what you offer. Connect with individuals in your industry and expand your network. Join relevant LinkedIn groups to engage with like-minded professionals. Share valuable content related to your field regularly. Post articles or updates that showcase your knowledge and insights. Consider offering a free resource, such as an ebook or guide, to attract interest. Utilize LinkedIn's publishing platform to write longer-form content on topics you're passionate about. Engage with comments on your posts to build a community around your brand. Identify potential clients or businesses that could benefit from your expertise. Reach out with personalized messages explaining how you can provide value. Consider creating an online course or webinar related to your niche. Promote your course on LinkedIn, emphasizing the benefits for potential enrollees. Explore affiliate marketing opportunities aligned with your expertise. Join affiliate programs in your industry and share related products with your network. Regularly update your profile to reflect new achievements and skills. Leverage LinkedIn's features, such as the recommendations section, for testimonials. Offer paid services or consulting packages that cater to your audience's needs. Establish yourself as an authority by consistently sharing insights and trends in your field. Monitor your engagement levels to identify what resonates with your audience. Optimize your posts with relevant hashtags to reach a broader audience. Network with thought leaders to exchange ideas and potential collaboration opportunities. Create a business page showcasing your services to enhance visibility. Develop a monthly plan for content creation and engagement to stay organized. Continuously evaluate your progress and adjust your strategy as needed. Maintain a professional demeanor in all interactions to build trust. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.